beautiful, it's Virtuous Woman again. My name is Fena, and if you are new to this channel, you are definitely at the right place. But if you're in this together, welcome back, guys. So I usually get the question, what kind of cream do you use for your natural hair? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I make my own moisturizing cream to grow my hair healthy and strong. So let's jump right into it. Yeah, so these are the ingredients I'm going to be using, and I'll talk about them as we go along. The first thing I'm going to use is my all-time favorite organic coconut oil, and I'm just going to scoop a tablespoon of it into this container. And next, I'm going to add about 1.5 tablespoons of shea butter, and whoo, I love the packaging. Next is my Jamaican black castor oil. And because it's almost finished, I'm just going to pour everything into the container. Next, I'm going to add a tablespoon of argan oil into the container. And before I add the rest, I'm just going to pour hot water into a container and put the mixture into it so that everything starts melting together. Next, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And then 3 tablespoons of my organic avocado oil. Next, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. Next, I'm going to keep stirring till everything melts together to become uniform. And then I'm going to wrap it and leave it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes, and I'll be right back. Alright, it's 30 minutes and everything has solidified just like I want it to be. Next, I'm going to transfer everything into this rubber container. At this point, we are 95% complete, but we want it smooth and fluffy, so I'm going to use this hand mixer to mix everything together so we get that fluffy texture. So just wait for it. Lastly, I'm going to add my aloe vera juice I extracted off camera, and I've already made a video on that. So if you've not seen it, I'm just going to leave a link in the description box below. Please make sure you check it out. And then I'm going to add 10 drops of peppermint essential oil. And then I'm going to give it a good stir again. And look at that, it melts so smoothly into your skin. So I'm going to use this method to transfer it into my glass jar, and then transfer the rest of it into other containers. Ooh, at this point, the temptation to eat this is very, very high. But I shall overcome. All this good stuff is going right into my hair. And yes, our moisturizer is ready. So this is the end of today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If this has been useful to you, then don't forget to like, share it, and click on the notification bell. And to all my new subscribers, I say thank you very much for the support. And if you've not subscribed already, please make sure you do so, because we have amazing things to learn together. Stay blessed and have a blissful week. Bye.